Me and Jack are headed for some more knives. Guy's got a family of heckles and some garden tools, so he says. I'm gonna bring them home. Now, whether I sharpen them or not today, that depends on if he wants them back. And if he does want them back today, I'm going to sharpen them as soon as I get home and put them in the truck, and then go pick up the ring man, and head to the Land of Nada. It's a beautiful day. It's a little breezy from I think it's west-northwest, about 15 or 18. But the temps are in the 30s, so it's a shade chilly, but you know, nothing we can't handle. Might be a little uncomfortable every now and then, but that all depends on how we dress. Stand by. Well, we got the knives. We're headed home. And I say knives, I should use a large capital K for knives. Mostly heckles, mostly international heckles. And I didn't count them, but it was a cool 10. I'm not sure how many it is, to be perfectly honest with you. But I'll show them to you in a minute when I get home. Well, there's a gathering of heckles and Wusthoffs, and one analog. We have international, a regular Henkel, serrated, Wusthoff, Henkel, Wusthoff, Sabatier, international Henkel. We got a gathering of different kind of knives here today. Sounds like I'm gonna get some gardening tools this afternoon when I drop these back off. Maybe not today, but in the next couple of days. But you can see it's a gathering of knives. I think it's 10. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a good morning's work. Stand by, I got to go to work. Well, Danny drove, and we dropped off the knives just a few minutes ago on the way home from the Land of Nada. Man, I'm telling you, the Land of Nada was Nada today too. My God. Wait till you see that video. Stand by. I don't know if you can see the knives. I got a pair of head, big one. I call them loafers. Little heads on them. Dark, I go inside. I got them inside now. There's a little bit of light. You can see them better. Just 2 pair of hedge trimmers and 2 long-handled loafers. Pruners, or whatever you want to call them. I call them loafers when they got long handles on.